Hello my friends, and welcome back to the Plant Abundance Backyard Food Forest. We are here in the springtime and things are really taking off. I wanted to make a quick video for you guys today. I want to answer a common question I see throughout the gardening community, and that question is it possible to grow your own food and actually save money? You know, a lot of folks start gardening for many different reasons, but one of them is to save money on their grocery bill. And once they get started, buying wood for their raised beds, fertilizer for the garden, soil amendments, fencing to protect their plants, mulches, pavers, seeds, plant starts, they become a little bit taken back by the overall cost and think to themselves, what have I gotten myself into? It's going to take me years to get my money back. Well, I'm here to tell you that first thing is that we need to stop looking at it as an expense and look at it for what it is, an investment. Gardening is an investment, both monetarily and an investment of your time. And I can tell you now, 9 years into this project here, undoubtedly, not only is there a huge opportunity to save money every day of the year, and I don't care what climate zone you're in, there's examples of people creating food forests in all different climate zones. But there's also opportunities to make money off the plants you're growing as well. So look at it as an investment. Understand that the time and effort, the money that you put in up front is all going to pay tremendous dividends. It's like compounding interest in a bank. As things grow and take off, it just becomes more and more abundant year after year, so stick with it. I'm a big fan of perennial-based food forest gardening systems, and that's what's the majority of what grows in my yard. Perennial-based plants, everywhere you look. And then we got annuals plugged in here and there, and in my Zone 1 garden, which is closest to the house. Other than that, the majority of what's growing back here, at this point, it just takes off all by itself. I don't have to do anything other than a little bit of maintenance, some chop and drop, a little bit of spot watering here and there, some pruning and harvesting. It's really easy, my friends. The investment is paying off. So do not get discouraged, my friends, and understand that over time, if you stick with it, if you just keep growing, you keep plugging in more and more varieties, you hone into the different microclimates, you stick with what's working and you ditch what's not working, and you just keep growing, in a short amount of time, you're going to have a tremendous amount of abundance. And this is what we were supposed to have. In this life, on this planet, nature shows us the way. One seed can produce plants that produce hundreds of pounds of food each year, just one little seed with thousands of new seeds for you to plant even more. It's speaking to you, it's telling you this world is abundant. Don't miss out, my friends. If you've got some free extra time right now, most of us do with the shutdown that's going on, I would encourage you to get out in the sunshine, get out in nature, get to planting, learn as much as you can on gardening. Document your experience, chart and write down what it is you're growing, and learn this skill, because once you get into it, for most folks, this becomes a joy. It's not work at all. It just becomes fun. I understand in the beginning when you're pulling up the weeds and you're amending your soil and you've got little pests coming in, taking some of your plants, it can be discouraging. But I guarantee you, my friends, you stick with it and you will be blessed. I'm feeling the abundance. I'm feeling very happy right now. I'm thankful for you guys being here. I'm thankful to God for giving me an opportunity to grow, for giving me an opportunity to learn, to connect, and to share with you guys. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Love you guys. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.